Since its opening in 2015, the internet has been obsessed with the Memphis Pyramid Bass Pro Shop.
But oddly enough, this architectural monstrosity is much more than a roadside attraction.
This massive 500,000 square foot facility is home to a Bass Pro Shop,
A hotel,
a spa,
a 13-lane bowling alley,
an archery range, a Wahlburgers Wild,
the world's only wilderness-themed burger joint partially owned by a founding member of New Kids on the Block and that guy from Daddy's Home 2, and a top-of-the-world observation deck and restaurant. And you know, we just had to drive all the way from Orlando to Memphis to check it out.
Let's head inside.
So we are staying at the hotel. We don't have a check-in time yet, but like I said in the title, we're staying here for 24 hours, so we gotta go check out the store first.
We're in Tennessee. I don't know why it's Bayou themed.
Yes, this is just a regular Bass Pro Shop. It's just about the venue that it's in that makes it so crazy. They really trust us. You know why? Because there is absolutely, you could just walk into the water here. There's dogs all around here. I will say, I could guarantee you at least one of them so far has tried drinking out of this water.
So we've run into a few issues already. Because of the weather, it's like very, very cold. They've had water main breaks like all over Memphis. So there's a ton of like water supply issues and a boil water advisory. So our dining reservation at the restaurant at the top of the hotel has been canceled. And now this is saying restrooms are out of order. I don't know what that means for our hotel room, but this is truly going to be the great outdoors.
It's about time. I think it's time to check into our room. Come on. Home sweet home. It's time to check in.
I'm excited. They still got their Christmas decorations up.
Yeah, the filming of this is what day?
The 26th, December 26th.
Thank you very much. Oh my gosh, look at the ceiling. We're underwater! We're underwater! Ah! We are on the 3rd floor of this hotel. Isabel,
I'm very excited.
I'm excited too!
We just had like the nicest lady check us in. I'm already having such a good time. I'm gonna cry.
Shout out Ashley at the service desk, seriously. Getting away from the hustle and bustle of the Bass Pro Shop downstairs is the Big Cypress Lodge. And let me tell you, this place is amazing. Look at this bear. Do you see this?
It's Santa Paws.
This is hilarious.
And oh my gosh, look at this moose's nose. Oh, he's there.
It's Rudolph. Welcome to For the Love of Theme Parks Cribs. We just got a room key. Let's go check in. Follow me. This room is seriously massive. If you look up, these are like 35-foot ceilings. The one thing people are probably wondering, first off, is our view. Let's go check out the view. That's a Bass Pro Shop. And look up. Inside of a pyramid.
Now, we did pay for an interior view room, but we weren't guaranteed such a beautiful view of Wahlburgers Wild, but we got one and I am so happy.
Isabel, how about that storage space?
I think we got a... Oh, this is huge! Does this count as a walk-in closet?
I don't know, let's see.
Just like, what if you see this in the middle of the night?
Look at this. Read that, what does that say, Isabel?
Fireplace!
Whoa! Here is the fake fireplace. It is currently on. I don't think this opens. No, it doesn't.
It's fake.
But that's okay. It gives off heat from up here. Isabel's wanted one of these for our actual house for like ever. We'll get one eventually, but one night only. Here you go, Isabel.
This is really pretty. And also, it's got drinks.
It looks like it goes on forever, but those are mirrors. Don't worry. There's not a room next to us with 2 people that look like us.
This is the fridge.
Woo, there's water. That's a good sign, right?
I was kind of hoping they would have given us a little bit more water because of the water main breaks, because we can't like brush our teeth with the tap water right now, so.
Speaking of brushing your teeth.
Welcome to my bathroom window.
Okay, honestly, I do think this is kind of cool. There's a window into the bathroom, but it's into like the tub area, which is
It's also cool because there's curtains, so if you want the privacy, you can have it.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, there's curtains, so it's not that weird.
Let's check out the inside of the bathroom. I'd like to welcome you to my humble commode, as I like to say. There is a full standing shower that's kind of got like a rainfall shower head. Not really, I don't know, but it's massive. I feel like the bad guys from the original Superman, where they're like trapped in the cube, the glass. No.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
There's a tub. It's really weirdly shaped, I will say.
Yeah, you can't really like stretch out.
Yeah, that's okay though.
I think this is a jacuzzi. It's got little things all around the inside.
And here, of course, is the main event. A very dark
the heck?
toilet closet, which is fine. Like,
Is that the only lighting?
Yes.
Are they going for an outhouse vibe?
I like pooping in the dark anyway, so whatever. One cool thing I did notice about the bathroom is that the jacuzzi has like a, is that like a projection on it? That is right, the light bulb that is directly above the jacuzzi is literally like projecting onto this. That's so cool. I can only imagine how cool this looks when the water is actually on.
And one thing we forgot to mention is that they put trees in every room during the holidays, which is so fun if you're like staying here on Christmas. Like we're staying the day after Christmas, but like we could have stayed here on Christmas and had a tree.
One thing I would like to say after this tour is that we came into this expecting it to be like not good.
Oh yeah, no, we were fully here for the meme. Fully here for the meme, but it's actually a really nice hotel.
This has been all over my like internet feeds for all social media forever because it's like, oh my god, the Bass Pro Shop in a pyramid. We found out, oh, it's also a hotel. Isabel was like, wouldn't it be funny if we stayed there? And it's not really funny, it's just good. Like, everything is so nice here. This is like, if you're a Disney fan, if you're, a fan of our page here, you're most likely a Disney fan. This is like Wilderness Lodge level, but how much did we end up paying for this?
I think it was $260 a night, so it's not that, it's kinda, it's a little pricey.
It's in the like mid-range for Disney hotels. Of course it's not on Disney property, so that's a major like offset for that, obviously, but that also, like, let me just say, we're not being paid to be here.
No,
we're not hosted or anything. This is our legitimate review.
Yes.
And so far we've had nothing but great things to say, and this room is seriously like more than I expected.
Yes.
Especially because this quality rooms now at Disney World cost like $800, $900 a night. You're not gonna find this at this price anywhere other than the Bass Pro Shop Pyramid in Memphis, Tennessee, which is still so funny to say that's where we are right now. After a little bit of exploring, I'm kind of getting hungry. Isabel, where do you want to eat?
I think we only have one option.
Wahlburgers Wild. Let's go check it out. Like I may have mentioned in the intro of this video, Wahlburgers Wild is the one and only location they have this.
We're right next to the bowling alley too, so if you hear any thuds or cheering, that's what it is.
One of the coolest things that I just found when exploring the restaurant was a Wahlburgers pyramid, like, popcorn bucket type thing.
They have a popcorn bucket!
I don't know. If the top comes off, it's
Are you serious?
Of course they would have specific merch, like why would they not? Out of this wonderful menu, I think I'm gonna be going with the Impossible Burger, which if you can't see is Mark's choice. So Mark Wahlberg personally chose this burger for me to eat today. Thanks, Mark. What is Isabel's choice gonna be?
I don't know, wait, I didn't know you were gonna record me. I haven't decided yet, I'm very nervous. I don't really like burgers that much, but I feel like I have to get a burger. We did just get our appetizer, which is these like buffalo chicken bites. I don't know, this isn't what I thought they would look like. I thought they were gonna be like little wings, but they're kind of like little hush puppies.
Now, I don't know exactly what's in these. I know buffalo chicken, obviously. Oh my gosh. It's literally like a hush puppy, but like a wing. It tastes like a wing a little bit, you know?
It's like buffalo chicken dip.
That's what it is. That's what I was tasting.
Yeah, it's like buffalo chicken dip in a breaded form. Oh my god, that's so weird. Like not in a bad way, that's just like, I've never had anything like that. Had anything like that before.
What happened?
I don't know. I think somehow you got a duplicate, but
so there's two Impossible Burgers here. And what did you get?
I got a chicken sandwich. It looks really good, honestly. Look at that.
And you got onion rings as well, which these are
That's
like
interesting. I don't know if I'm gonna like those, but we also accidentally got French fries. So
I got French fries and tater tots, and these I've had before at Wahlburgers. Let me be transparent. This is the third Wahlburgers I've been to, and so far, this is like probably the best. I've been to one in New York, the one at Mall of America, and the one here. That sauce is a lot better than I expected. I normally get it without the like signature sauce on it, but it's like a spicy like Chipotle, but not spicy at all. Let me say, this is very refreshing after the winter storm we just drove through to get here. I don't know if we mentioned that before.
Is it a little dry? It looks a little dry. That's okay.
It's not terrible. It's just like, it's also, I just think the combination of flavors, I would probably go back and order something different. They had a different chicken sandwich. I was debating between this and the other one. I think I should have gotten the other one, but that's on me.
This burger, I give it 8 out of 10. This is really, really solid. If you do want a good Impossible Burger, this is the place to get it, or any Wahlburgers, because I'm pretty sure it's close to the same as anywhere else. There's a fairly wide selection of merchandise here at Wahlburgers Wild, but there was one that I spotted that you know we had to get.
Isabel, what is that?
It's Wahlburgers Pyramid Memphis piggy bank with a light up top.
It looks just like the Luxor.
I know, I was like, we need a little action figure of Chris Angel to...
I thought because it had a...
I know, it looks like a sipper.
Yeah, but that's, I mean, you could fill it up technically.
Yeah.
Just put your straw through there. Maybe that's what it was originally.
The cool thing about the Bass Pro Shop Pyramid is that not only is it a roadside attraction that people just want to enter and look at, but also you'll have smaller pyramids inside this big pyramid that will be just a giant stack of, you know, good deals on some decoy mallards, like right here. We stumbled upon a massive crowd, and you want to know why? Because there's daily fish feedings, like via scuba diver.
Yeah.
Like look at this.
I remember seeing a sign about a fish feeding, like live fish feeding, but I thought they were just like throwing food in the water. I didn't know they got in the water with them.
This shooting gallery, just like the entire store behind me, is themed to the bayou. Again, I'm a little confused because that doesn't say Memphis, Tennessee, right?
I don't know. It's just like Disney. Got my resort mug.
It's just like Disney.
Because of the water issue, we aren't able to dine at the restaurant that's at the very top of the pyramid like we had originally planned, but we are lucky enough to get to take a ride in the tallest freestanding elevator. It's 300 feet, and go check out the space itself.
This is so massive behind you. Look at it. Look at it.
I'm a little nervous.
To learn more about all the adventures you could experience, visit the friendly folks at the welcome desk.
Note number 1 from coming back, you have to pop your ears.
Yeah, I was not expecting that.
Seriously, make sure you pop your ears while you're going up, because that is a very tall, this is such a tall building, and this is the very, very point of the pyramid.
Isn't this amazing?
That's so cool.
It is snowing pretty heavy.
I do say it's snowing pretty heavy, but again, we are Orlando locals, so this is like nothing for some of you Midwesterners and Northerners, so I'm sorry.
Dining in this space would be like ideal, I think, during sunset when it's like warm but not too hot, because they open up the like window thing. So oh my god, that would be so cool. So we gotta come back, basically. We just gotta come back.
Normally, if you're just a regular guest or you're going to the restaurant, you have to pay to ride the elevator. I know, but when you are staying at the hotel itself, it is included. You get these gold wristbands so you can go up whenever.
They have an entire department that is the size of a regular Bass Pro Shop for waterfowl. Let's see what's here.
Ryan, what are we looking at?
I don't know. Right here to my right is the these birds that are all flapping their wings. This one, get a close-up on this.
They're decoys, but I guess to make them more realistic.
Do you think we should get one for home?
Yes.
Do you think our dogs would appreciate the $90 flapping fake bird that they...
Behind me are more waterfowl decoys than I think you could ever need in one lifespan, but I just don't understand. I don't ever think that like department store mannequins are real. Do ducks think that these are real? I don't get it. Oh my god, this one's trying to escape. Free him.
Sir, please. No, you're not going anywhere.
Right now we are headed back to the Fish Bowl, which is part of Wahlburgers. We have our return time for bowling. We're going bowling underwater.
I feel like we've been here before.
I know.
This is my favorite ball. His name is Mark Ballberg, because we're technically in Wahlburgers still, and Mark is my favorite.
Isabel, what are you waiting for right now?
For the octopus to give me my ball back.
I did see some of the other ones were like sharks and alligators.
Shark.
We just made it back to the room. I will say it's been a very, very long day. I think we're gonna order some room service, go to bed. Okay, I'll see you guys like in the morning. Ugh. Good morning.
Isabella, how'd you sleep?
I think I slept pretty well. The bed's pretty comfortable. They have like blackout curtains to block out the light from the store.
Which the lights don't turn off, no.
No, I was expecting it to, but that might get a little creepy, honestly.
This has been a very weird experience. We originally came here like expecting it to be like not the best because, you know, it's been a meme on the internet forever. Pyramid Bass Pro Shop. But like, this has been like a 5-star hotel and like a themed experience. We're for the love of theme parks, but like we also want to do our best to cover other themed environments, hotels, restaurants, stuff like that. Part of me is very glad that we're in Orlando because that's where the center of all of these themed things are happening. But also there's so much more in the Midwest that we want to explore. So hopefully this coming year we are able to do that. Let us know, seriously. Like, comment section is there for a reason. If there's anything that we haven't covered yet that you want us to go do, let us know. That's pretty much everything. I think we're gonna go now. Bye.